Hey everyone, and welcome back. Happy 2021. I hope that everybody is healthy and happy. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, I am unboxing a Chanel 19 bag. I will leave the color for a surprise, but if you do watch my channel, you probably already know what color I went for if you know my favorite color. But I wanted to talk to you a little bit about how I got the bag and when I got it. So we went to New York City for the new year. We knew that Times Square was closed, but we just wanted to take the kids and, you know, get away for a little while. And we did that. Everything went well, and I knew I wanted to go to the Chanel store because I wanted to purchase my first bag. So I actually went on the 30th, 31st, 1st, and 2nd. We came back on the 3rd. So it was actually, the Chanel store was actually closed on the 1st, which I did not know that it would be closed. And I really wanted to make my profile and just get in the system so that I would be able to purchase things. But unfortunately the store was closed, so I went to Bergdorf Goodman on 5th Avenue and I got my bag there. Everybody was super nice there. The gentleman that helped me found the bag I wanted. So let's get started with the unboxing. I did not receive a Chanel bag. I believe it's because I did not get it from a Chanel boutique, but I did get it from the Bergdorf Goodman, like I said. But I did get a pretty little camellia and a Chanel ribbon. And I'm not gonna lie, I already opened this. That's why this isn't so pretty, because I wanted to check out the bag. I was super excited. But let's unbox it here so you guys can see. Alright, so there's the bag, and I did get the little Chanel sticker. And my dust bag, of course. And I'm going to move this out of the way just because it's so large. So here is how it came with the dust bag. And ta-da! So as you can see, it's peeking through right there. It is black. And the size that I went with is it's actually called the medium. I know this is so confusing. It's actually called the medium, but it is the smallest in the handbag. So you have the wallet on chain, then you have this one, then you have the large, and then you have the maxi. So this is the smallest one in the actual handbags. And I'm going to take this felt off. And all the paper. Well, let's unwrap this first. I'm going to talk as I do this. So this is actually my first Chanel bag. And I know some of you might be like, why did you get such a trendy bag for your first bag? Because this is quite a trendy piece because of the puffer element, because it's really puffy like a pillow, and because of the large chains. But it is now part of Chanel's classic collection. So it is a classic now, but you know, it still looks quite trendy. And I did think about that, but this bag actually fits me and my style quite perfectly. And so that's why that wasn't an issue for me, the fact that it is quite trendy, because it matches my style so perfectly. It is quite edgy. And I normally dress very casual and edgy. This bag is a little bit more, in my opinion, it's a little bit more on the casual side. But you can dress it up, of course, but it's not as dressy as maybe a classic flap. So I decided to go with this one, and I'm very happy with it. Mine is in lambskin, not the goat skin. I did want, I really actually didn't care what leather I got it in. But when I did feel them, this one was softer, which is a lambskin, was softer than the goat skin. And I know that the goat skin is probably more durable than this lambskin, but I really liked the way this one felt. And the grains on this leather were a lot smaller. The little pebbles are a lot smaller, barely visible than when you compare it to the goat skin leather. So I decided to go with this lambskin. And here is my tag in case you were wondering what it is or if you wanted any serial numbers. And I actually paid $5,100 for this bag. And I'm really happy with it. It says it's from the 21C collection, and I really don't know much about Chanel and the collection and the numbers, but that's what that says it is. And I'm super happy with my purchase. I think it's a beautiful bag. It has this magnetic closure with the back pocket, and the interior of it is a pretty burgundy color, and it does have a zip pocket in the back. And here is my authenticity card, and I actually am going to order a Samorga organizer for this bag because I do want to protect the inside. I want to make sure it stays as new as it can for as long as it can. I do not want anything to happen to this bag. I really love it. I was actually I never understood what the hype was about Chanel bags until I got this one, and I can tell you guys that I'm completely hooked. I love the way this bag feels. It's just so pretty, and the quality is amazing. And I want to say that I do want this bag in the light beige color as well. I don't know if that'll ever happen or when it will happen, but I absolutely love this bag, and I love the CCs on it. I know it's a little bit more out there, a little bit more logo-y, but I do like it because it matches my boots that I got last year, which were the black ones. I think it's the Metidar collection. I don't know how to say that, but it's the combat boots that go with this, and I think they match perfectly together. And so I am super happy and excited about this bag. All right, so let's move this aside and open my next purchase. All right, same thing with this bag. With this box, I've already opened it, and I can't put the ribbon back on as nicely as it was packaged, but I did want to kind of simulate for you guys because I like watching these videos, and I like watching unboxings and all that jazz. Because I don't know, sometimes I feel like it's me opening the stuff, and I get super excited with the person that's opening the item, you know? Okay, so here is my second Chanel item, and I'm just gonna pull it out from here. And I don't want to undo all this stuff. This will be faster. So as you can tell by the box, it is a pair of shoes. And if you didn't know, I am a total sneakerhead. I dress casually a lot of the times. Like right now, I guess this top looks, it's not dressy. It's not dressy, but I am wearing a button shirt with sneakers. So, you know, I just like wearing sneakers. And I'm gonna just show you what they are. And they are it doesn't say on here the name, but I believe these are the Chanel Weekender sneakers. And I've been wanting a pair of black luxury sneakers for a while now. And I did find my Dior obliques in the high top from the men's section. I just unboxed those recently. But I did see these while I was at Bergdorf, and I love them. So I went ahead and grabbed these as well. So I have a dust bag, or 2 dust bags. And here they are. And here is my tag. And here is the other shoe. So at the store, at the department store, I tried on the right one. So that is why this one's like all untangled like that. And this one's perfect, just because this was the one I actually tried on in the store. I'm really happy that I tried these on because the sizing wasn't what I thought it was going to be. So if you are interested in these shoes, I would size down a whole size. In my boots, in my Chanel boots, I purchased those in a size 37 and they fit perfect. But these sneakers I had to purchase in a 36. So I don't know if these are true to size or if the boots are true to size. But normally, you know, sometimes in boots you want to go a little bit bigger because you want to wear thicker socks, but I don't. I just get my size, but I just wanted to mention that. And these are a 36. And for reference, my Gucci sneakers, my Gucci Ace sneakers are a size 36 as well. So if you do have those and you want these, I would go with the same size. I think these do run big because the Gucci's run big. So yeah, so these are super cute and very casual. I really, really love them. They are actually very comfortable, as what I could tell, and I just put one foot in there, but it was super comfortable. I will let you know more once I wear these a little bit more, but I'm really happy with this purchase. In case you were wondering about price, let's see. Oh yeah, so these are $850 for these sneakers, and I think that they are a good deal. I'm really happy that I was able to try them on because I would have been way off with my size. So that is it, guys. These are my 2 new Chanel purchases. I'm really excited about my first Chanel handbag, and I hope that I love it as much as I love it today. I hope I continue loving it, and I will of course do probably a little first impression for you, because of course I can't do a review, but I will be doing that with that bag because I have been watching everybody's video. So if you did a video on the Chanel 19 bag, I bet you I watched it. So I'm really happy with my purchase and my sneakers, and I hope to see you guys very soon. If you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I will be leaving you my Instagram. So I have 2 Instagrams right now. I have my personal Instagram and my kind of YouTube luxury Instagram. I will be leaving both of those here for you in case you're interested. I hope that everybody stays safe. I hope that everybody is kind to one another. Please never forget that, and always be grateful. Always be grateful for everything you have and that you are able to live another day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one.